Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app is not showing code error on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone as well as app. So close the app if it is running, and after that restart your device. For that press the volume up plus power button and now select swipe to restart. So this will restart your phone and app. After that, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to force stop the app once. So for that, click and hold the Authenticator app icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. So by doing this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you should clear the cache of Authenticator app. For that, here you have to click on storage option, click on clear cache. After that, go back, launch the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to check if the Authenticator app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Authenticator app, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, there is any update available, update your Microsoft Authenticator app from here, and after that, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check date and time. So for that, you have to go to settings. After that, go below, click on system management. After that, click on date and time, and here you have to check if date and time is set to automatic or not. If not, you have to set it to automatic, and after that, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to enable push notification for Microsoft Authenticator app. For that, go to settings. After that, here you have to click on notification and status bar. After that, go below, search for Authenticator app, and here check if notification or push notification is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, you have to enable it, and after that, go back and check if the issue is resolved. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the app. For that, you have to first delete it. So for that, click and hold the app icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. By doing this, the app will be removed. After that, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for Microsoft Authenticator app and finally click on the install option. So after the app is installed, now check if the Authenticator app is not showing code error on your Android phone is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.